This is the part 2 of how to use KaloData to find winning products to promote on TikTok as an affiliate. If you haven't signed up for KaloData, be sure to use the free trial link below and also use the 10% off code to get the full access and cancel anytime. When it comes to getting around the competition, the more creators there are, the harder it will be for you to get something original unless you really stand out. So if there are almost 2,000 people that made the same video, then there are probably only 10 to 20% of people getting all the traffic. And the odds of you getting into that will be significantly smaller compared to competing with something only less than 10 to 15 creators are doing. 10 is ideal, 20 is okay, while still being in the blue ocean. I don't recommend getting into the red ocean when there are hundreds of creators because it will get too competitive and your videos may not get pushed if there is too much supply than demand. TikTok is currently reducing the organic reach of traffic compared to previous months. They are constantly testing things, so do not delete a video if it doesn't take off right away. Some videos will pick up traffic after 2 weeks, some in just a few days. So you never know. Just leave your video and let it do its thing. Another thing to pay attention when looking on KaloData is to filter the data for video instead of live in the last 7 days. Yes, TikTok is pushing live content harder than videos now, but you can still do videos if you don't like to go live. There are many affiliates making great money doing live stream daily, and if you picked the right product that TikTok is actively pushing, then you can expect to make lots of money. I was a part of the Social Army Discord communities where they go over weekly tips on how to do live selling, and they also give you weekly product scripts and live call training to get the most amount of engagement and clicks. I have left a link in the description if you want to join. Another thing on KaloData to look at is creators who are making revenue and model what they are doing well. When I say model, I mean to pay attention to their hook, the copy, and call to action. These videos are literally showing right here for you to browse through for reference. Otherwise, you won't find it on your TikTok app unless you've seen them. KaloData just streamlines the process and provides you everything on the dashboard to make a quick decision. If you look at this chart, it's showing the trend of this product selling on TikTok. If you see a huge number, like, for example, $350,000 in video revenue, please understand that the product may be seasonal or it may have only done well just a few days out of a whole month. And then it tanks. What you want to do is go through each product and look at the chart to make sure something is fairly stable and uptrending. For seasonal products, it's fine if they drop off, but if you want sustainable affiliate income, you want to use this tool to plan out at least 6 months of product to make videos of. This is where I highly recommend sign up for KaloData for just 1 month and get all the data you need and cancel. You can always come back later, and this will help you pick the right product without guessing. This is a similar strategy successful YouTube content creators are doing. They model successful videos from another niche, then apply it in their niche. For example, in this viral video promoting this 15-day cleanse supplement, where this creator used the "don't buy this product" as the hook, you can do the same if you are selling, for example, this phone charger. You notice that this video has the text on the screen to engage the viewers instead of just listening. And the subtitle is done by CapCut. I mean, this is what I mean by modeling someone, and maybe you can do it better. KaloData isn't updating in real time, and there will be some data delay. It's simply a data aggregator, but it will give you a ballpark number to go after, and it won't give you the data if a product is getting viral, like literally now. Again, if you are just getting started with TikTok Shop, KaloData is extremely helpful, so you are not throwing darts in the dark, guessing what the viral products are. The sign-up link for the free trial is below, as well as the discount code if you want the full access version. If you like what I'm showing in this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.